I've got a surprise for you. Oh, what is that? What is that? A smoothie
Mama?
with apple, banana, and strawberry.
Yeah. Mama,
Yes?
is it also in my lunchbox?
Which one?
This one, the apple straw.
No, also a surprise in your lunchbox.
Yeah.
Yes? Do you want to know the surprise? For your lunch?
Later, because
Okay.
it will be a surprise.
Okay. Very good. Now you are saying that, huh? Because sometimes when mama will tell you I have a surprise, she really want to know. Enjoy. And your smoothie, huh? Look. Nandiyan na lahat ng kanyang mga fruits, guys. Sa kanyang smoothie. Good morning. Ayusin ko na yung buhok ko. Mag-aaral yan ngayon.
Mommy, yummy.
For snack, meron tayong pa red bell pepper. Alam nyo na yan, ano na yan, strawberry. Kanyang lunch naman ay tinapay with secret. Tapos meron ding raisins. Be careful at school, ha? Don't walk on the wood of the sandbox, bebe. Okay. And drink your drink.
Chug, chug, chug.
I love you. Now, let's go.
Hello, guys. Bye.
I will bring you at school like this. It's fine? I'll bring you like this. Is it? You like me bringing you at school like this? With my pajama?
Why?
Sige na.
Yeah.
Take care, bebe. Because I care. I love you.
I miss you.
And I miss you.
Come on, look, look, look,
See
look,
you
look.
later.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
I love you. Why you are always closing the door when you are doing this?
Go now to Papa. I love you. Oh, wala na. Expired na ang Inday Garnet nyo, guys. Saan naman yung maganda masyado na Inday Garnet? Parang kailan lang. Tapos ngayon, tingnan nyo, nakarobe na naman tayo sa ating vlog. Kinukumpleto mo ang araw ko sa tuwing inaway mo. Pagising sa umaga, mukha mo nakikita, wala nang maluwa ng kasamang na. At pagsapit ng gabi, takbo lalong lumalaki. Kamustahin natin ang ating Mr. Everyone. Ay, Mr. ko lang pala. Ni natin ang Mr. Kamustahin natin ang Mr. natin, everyone. What you doing?
Spraying the garden.
Tanggalin natin ang mga weeds kay kadami talaga. Tingnan niyo, oh. Mabot na sila dito. Maganda na kasi ang weather. Kailangan nang linisin ang garden, guys. Ayan, oh. Muntik pa tayong magkapuno na dito, oh. Grabe niya kalaki. At yan din, oh. Nakapag-ayos na ang hinday ninyo, guys. Tulong. Bored na naman ako. Gusto ko magpa-short hair. Hindi na naman bangs. Gusto ko masyado magpa-short hair. Tapos ngayon, ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko sa ChatGPT ang aking muka. Tapos ilagay ko ba na, yan. Lagay ko dyan na, say ko na, make me short hair with volume. Tapos yan yung mga lumabas. Gusto ko masyado yung last ba yan. Yan, pagkatapos kong nag-ayos, tapos nag-picture ako, no filter. Grabe, kaganda ko na GGSS na naman tayo. Sorry. Nating problemahin yan, kaya marami pa akong mas kailangang problemahin dito. Ito yung mas importante nating dapat gawin. Nagpo-fold po ako ng mga panty at saka mga po namin, mga medyas namin ni Daniel. Pero ito talaga, tingnan niyo. Nung hindi ako nagpa-vlog, guys, grabe ang order ko. Na-addict po ako sa mga false lashes. Yan. Kita nyo? False lashes. Kita nyo ba? Oh. Yan ang mga pinag-order ko. Tapos, matanggal siya kahit saan lang mahulog. Minsan, maabot sa damit ni Nathan. Umuwi dito. Nakasabit po sa damit niya. Tapos, buong araw na siya nandun sa paaralan. Minsan, kahit saan, sa medyas, ba? Kaya nandyan lang siya minsan, mahulog ba? Di, natigil, nagmaskara na lang po ako. Si Daniel, sinundo niya na po si Nathan. Alam niyo si Nathan, kahirap pag yung mag-uwi na siya. Mag-isip kami ba kung anong gawin namin na hindi na kasi siya maglaro ng ano dito. Oh, kailangan namin siyang entertain, guys. Ay, iba ng interest niya ba? Ayun niya nang maglaro sa mga kadami-dami mga laruan. Kakatapon lang namin ng ibang laruan niya. Tapos may mga laruan pa po dyan siya sa loob ng bahay-bahay niya, sa taas din. Pero ngayon, nag-iba na po ang kanyang interest. Mas gusto niya yung nagagamit ng utak niya. Gusto niya mag-board game. Ganun, ayun yung mag-upo-upo lang dyan. Mag-ganyan-ganyan ng mga laruan. Kaya minsan nilalabas po namin siya. Yes, I'm here.
I love you.
Oh, you come here. I want to talk to you. What happened to school? How was school, bebe? What did you do? Good?
Yeah, and I bring for the motor stuff.
Yo.
The gift for the motor stuff.
Where is it then? You're not giving it.
Then you cannot see it.
Oh, really? It's a surprise for on Mother's Day.
Yeah.
When is the Mother's Day? On Sunday? Oh, thank you, baby love. So that's what you did at school today? Again, making your gift for me. Thank you, ha? Do you want snack?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, did you drink your drink at school?
A little bit more.
Why a little bit only? Tell me about school, B. And then, what did you do with the children there? You play together. And what else? And then a cracker.
Cracker.
And then who did you play with? I saw you today. You were playing. I saw you, ha? Himala. Naglaro siya sa kanyang laruan dito. Okay, naglaro ang tatay niya. Oh, bumper car. Now, let's go. I want to ask you something, bebe. Now, are you ready for my question? What do you want to eat tonight? Ang tatay, anong ginagawa? Isa, stop it! So, yan yung salarin, no? Patawa-tawa doon. What do you want to eat tonight?
Sushi.
Oh, see? I did not even ask him yet. Kahapon, ang ano niya, ang sabi niya, he wants McDo.
Happy Meal.
Yeah, Happy Meal.
Meal.
What do you want, sushi or Happy Meal?
Happy meal. Happy meal.
I want sushi. Sushi is a lot because it will be, you know, the orange sushi, the orange sushi, the black sushi, and the steak. Wow.
Yeah.
That one, ha? Next time, Happy Meal.
Yeah.
So, what do you want?
Next time, happy meal.
Sabi ko kasi kay Daniel, mahal, let's go eat out today because it's my salary. Oh, mag-say thank you ka, to the people, guys. Thank you so much for the sushi tonight. So,
Thank you for the sushi.
Thank you for the sushi. Thank you for tomorrow the happy meal.
Pagchuroy no Happy Meal tomorrow. Next month na food on the salary. You can get your Happy Meal. This month is sushi. Next month is Happy Meal.
No, Mama says sushi or Happy Meal.
Sushi?
Okay, then let's go. Let's go!
Happy Meal.
You want Happy Meal?
No, a deer, a female deer. Hey, a tropical dissolve. Me, a name, I call myself. So, I need to 40. Father, so. And think about the jam. Little thing else back to do. A deer.
Lower the key. Do.
No, a deer, a female deer, they a tropical the song. Me a name, I call myself. Fa a longer to run.
So,
And for a fa
la.
that's her father so. T and the cabas and jam is bring us back to do.
Ah, very good.
Do.
Punta tayo sa ano? Sa zoo. Hindi niya pa alam.
So aim fa so la ti do.
Very good. You have any idea where we're going now? Look.
Yeah, Matthew,
No.
this is a surprise.
Yeah? So, you have any idea already? Not yet.
I have no idea because it's a surprise.
Yes, you are right. You have no idea because it's a surprise.
I
How about now?
see that way.
Mm-hmm.
Aquazoo.
Yes! You know? Wow!
Because it's a nice weather.
Ka-bright naman ang anak ko, guys. Yes, because it's a nice weather, we're going there.
Yeah.
High five. Very good.
Mama, maybe it's Aquazoo.
Yes, it is Aqua Zoo. You are right. Happy yarn. Naka-t-shirt naman itong mga tao dito. Naka-coat pa ako. Kalamig ng hangin. Uy. Malamig po ang hangin. Dinalan ko nga din sinatan. Oh. Pero ang init, mapanakit. Ganyan talaga sa Netherlands, guys. Hello, flamingos.
The flamingos is back.
I don't do that, baby love. They will clean here. Don't do that. Give it to me. You want a picture there? 6 euros. Ito na nga. Kailangan na naming sulitin to kasi bago. Mabaho dito, guys. Ano ba? Kailangan na po naming sulitin kasi 'di ba may ano po kami dito, may pass kami ng 1 year. Ano na lang, 1 week na lang matapos na siya. Kaya nung time na kakabalik lang po namin dito, hindi ako nag-vlog. Pumunta kami sa dalawang park na pagpilian namin ba kung saan na naman kami mag-ano ng isang taon. Kaya pangit din dito na naman paulit-ulit na lang, no? Enjoy here, baby love, because maybe this will be our last time going here. After a week, I know, he still has.
Next week.
Also him?
His ends
Oh.
this week or next week.
Oh, yeah, because then we will go to another park. Not here
this
anymore.
one again.
Or this one again?
Let's going to me.
He likes you. Baho ko doon sa loob. Maglagay ako ng mga videos namin nung pumunta po kami sa isang zoo. Parang yun ang gusto kong ulit ng isang taon. Oh, he wants to be friends with
Mahal on my head.
Ngek.
On my head, Mahal.
Ay! Look at Papa, baby! Papa, look! Yeah, they're there. That's all? Diyos ko.
Go for more deer.
You?
You and me.
Okay.
And Papa.
Okay. Pares nito, oh. Grabe kalamig. Kaya nandito kami sa shade.
I want first to make this.
Meron kasing pa-TV dito, oh. Gusto ko yung isang zoo kasi mas may connection ka sa mga animals. Yung malapitan nyo po talaga sila. Di ba kita yun sa ulo nga Daniel, dito kay kalalayo. Minsan di pa makita. Dito pahirapan maghanap ng ano nila, ng mga animals. Minsan tumatago, minsan kung saan. Hagilapin pa sila ba? Di ba? Wala kang makita dyan, oh. Hanap-hanap ka pa. Bintot-bintot ka saan sila. It's leaking. Wow, so big! Did you see that, baby? Wow, so big fish. Wow, dito may eagle yan sila dyan eh. Pahirapan din. Pahirapan ng hanap. Are they inside?
Yeah. That's one,
Oh, yes.
two.
What is that in English, mahal?
Beavers.
Beavers.
That is two beavers.
They're sleeping. Ito kay medyo malapit-lapit sila pero doon din oh, may paano pa, water pa. Maganda lang dito kay malaki, makalakad-lakad ka talaga pero yung doon mas connected ka nga sa ano, sa animals. Tambay sila diyan oh. Punta na tayo doon sa palaruan para makalaro na yan. Kaya anong oras na oh? 3:50. Churros for 5 euros. Bagay sa kanya ang kulay ng damit niya ba? Penguins, guys.
That is no fear.
Hello.
The deer sang that.
Tura nila oh. Swimming pool daw to dati, sabi ni Bianan, sa kapanahunan niya. It was a pool, right, mahal?
Before, yes.
Yeah. Did you see this when it was still a pool? Or not anymore? Sa kapanahunan nga ni Bianan. Nandyan yung kanilang palaruan. Tago sa init. Kaya masunog ang muka. Masakyan sila. Nagtatago ako dito, guys. Tignan mo, painit ba yan sila? O, dyan. Painit sila. Naka-t-shirt. Oh, sa init, sa araw. Si Inata na doon na naglalaro na. Sushi! 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 Alis na tayo kay ano na 4:20 na. Mahulog ka?
A little bit by the boat.
Okay, a little bit. Bilisan mo kay malay tayo sa sushi.
Look, I will go here. And then I will hold this.
Mhm. Sa city na tayo, everybody. Naglalakad na papunta sa sushi. There, on the right. You still remember or not anymore?
I still remember.
Where then? Oh, you don't remember. There, when you were a baby, we always eat sushi there.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you were a baby, but now you're not a baby anymore. 10 minutes pa. Hindi pa kami pinapasok. Kay maglinis pa daw sila. They will vacuum first. Let's go here first. What can we see in there?
Not there.
Oh, meron silang mga pa-boat dyan.
Wait for the sushi.
Yeah, we need to wait. How many minutes more? Let's look. 16 minutes. Wow. That's not so long.
And I wait there.
All the boats in the world. Tingnan, may mga nagtambay na doon. Oh,
There.
sa grass. Yeah, still 14 minutes, bebe.
Not now.
Not now. 14 minutes. Grabe na sinata. Hindi na siya makahintay. Cannot wait anymore.
But
Kita niyo yung mukha na yan. Bad trip yan.
Yeah, piece of naked.
Umalis kami doon. Bad trip ako. Maldita ang nagbantay. Mag-happy meal. Mag-happy meal na lang. Next time na lang, bebe love, ha? Kay maldita ang nagbantay, bebe. Maldita ang nagbantay. Nandoon na kami, kalamig-lamig sa labas. Ha? Ayaw pa nila kaming papasukin kay maglinis. Kumakain kasi siya ba? Pero bukas na sila, alas 12 pa lang ha. Alas 12 pa lang hanggang alas 10.
Mama,
Oh,
next time the you sushi.
yeah, next time the new sushi, the one our favorite, okay? Trip, uy. Tapos naglakad-lakad pa kami doon. Bukas na sila, alas 12 pa lang, ayaw niya kami papasukin. Tapos sabi ng babae, pwede man sila maghintay lang. So, sabi ng ano ba, yung katabi niya na nagtatrabaho din dyan. Sabi, hindi kayo maglinis pa daw. Baka Hala sila dyan, magtawag sila saan na kami. Grabe ka, bad trip. Kita niya na kami, papasok na kami doon, palabasin ka pa. Kahit bukas na sila, paulit-ulit na tayo. Sorry lang, nag-rant si Inday Garnet. Alam nila ngayon na bad trip ako, kaya hindi na kami nagbalik doon. Because they're already open at 12, mahal. And they're not letting us in. No one is there. I will understand if they, you know, if they're busy, that there's a lot of customer, but no one is there. At saka yan naman talaga din ang una niya talagang kagabi pa lang gusto niya Happy Meal. Kulang ang nag-crave ng sushi ba? Now, are you still happy even if we did not eat to the sushi?
Yeah.
Just in the McDo?
Yeah.
Okay. Nag-enjoy naman siya kahit hindi sushi, oh. Yummy. Ako hindi ako nag-order kay sa bahay. Ako magkanin. Ako may sabaw pa ako doon, guys. You get? Oh, Mario? Oh. Nilaga na sushi. Tulog pa sa mantika, oh. Yung ulam namin kagabi, buti na lang din. Uy, iwas gastos, no? Diba? So, guys, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa ating vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow in the absent. Magluto na lang din ako ng tofu. Bye, guys!